Alright, hey guys. I'm here with an airsoft video. My backyard. Over there. And so me and my friend, we decided to do an airsoft battle. I got a pistol and he has a shotgun. Shotgun is supposed to hurt worse, but I just got shot with it and it didn't really hurt too bad. So rules are, you get hit, you go hit, hold your gun up and walk. As long as you're not hit, you're still in the game. Alright, Gabe, you ready? Alright, here we go, guys. Start game! Alright, guys. That's my new Jordans. Semi-new. Alright. At this point, we've started the game. And, these are behind the doghouse. Oh, shit. Alright, so right here I'm behind the pool. And now we're gonna. You're hitting the house. Nice.